Hello students, welcome back. In my first part of the video, I told you the method of how to take readings in the meter bridge experiment. Now students, I will show you the readings which I have already taken from the experiment setup. So again, this is your meter bridge experiment of class 12 to determine resistance of a given wire using meter bridge and hence determine the specific resistance of its material. बच्चों, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, फर्स्ट टेबल में जाइए. रेजिस्टेंस ये आप जो देख रहे हैं 1 2 3 4 ये ओम्स है. दिस इज योर ओम्स. ओके. बैलेंसिंग लेंथ इज 100 माइनस एल. एस डैश एस क्या है आपका? अननोन रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द वायर. ये बात कर रहे हैं लेफ्ट गैप की. लेफ्ट गैप से हमने रेजिस्टेंसेस को निकाला. फर्स्ट 1 ohm, 2 ohms, 3 ohm and 4 ohms. We had noted down the balancing lengths which came out to be 5, 16, 31 and 32. Then in the third column I have done 100 minus L. Then in the fourth column, what is the formula for unknown resistance? S dash R 100 minus L by L. As you can see, what is R? R is your 1 ohms. Students, same process has to be repeated for the right gap. 1 ohm resistance has to be removed. Again note down the balancing length which came out to be 95. Okay, centimeters. Then 100 minus L dash is 5. Again S double dash. With the help of this, I have taken 4 readings. I have taken out 4 values of unknown resistance and that is S1, S2, S3 and S4. Then what I have done? I have taken the mean of unknown resistance S. That is S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 upon 4. And it came out to be 5.7 ohms. So with the help of the first table, I have taken out the mean value of the unknown resistance, that is S. Now I can show you the table with a closer view of it. Now students, coming to the second table, this is the table in which I have calculated the radius of the constant wire which I have used in my meter bridge experiment. Okay, so the screw gauge table is like this: LSR, CSR, TSR. What is LSR? Linear scale reading. CSR, circular scale reading. What is TSR? Total scale reading. Now students, let us understand what is meant by LSR. Look here. आपका जो स्क्रू गॉज का स्केल होता है, इट इज़ ऑफ दिस टाइप: 0, 5, 10, 15. Between 0 to 5 mm you have 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm and 4 mm. Now students, 0 plus 1 divide by 2 will give you 0.5. 1 plus 2, 3. Divide by 2 will give you 1.5. 2.5, 3.5. So here we are getting a difference of 0.5 on each scale. So 0.5 will be your pitch of screw gauges. 0.5. Pitch of screw gauge will be 0.5. Now the scale is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, what is the difference? 1 mm. So 1 mm will be your linear scale reading, LSR. With the help of pitch, I have calculated least count of screw gauge. How I have calculated it? 0.5, that is pitch of the screw gauge, divided by number of circular scale division. Actually students, there are 2 kinds of scales given to you in the screw gauge. One is your main scale and another is your circular scale, which I will show you practically in the screw gauge. So in the screw gauge, the number of circular divisions are 100. So from here we have calculated the least count of screw gauge. Now, the second column is showing you small n. What is a small n? A small n is the number of circular scale division coinciding with the reference line. Reference line is a line which is given in the screw gauge, and that reference line will coincide with any of the circular division, and this will give you the value for small n. And when you will multiply the value of a small n with the least count of a screw gauge, then you will get the reading for circular scale reading. So after calculating CSR and LSR, I have calculated TSR, total scale reading, and this is your basically diameter. Okay, so with the help of 4 values of n, I have taken out 4 values of diameters. Then I have taken the mean diameter and then radius. Radius in millimeter, centimeter and meters. Now students, what we have to calculate? We need to calculate a specific resistance or resistivity, and the formula given to you is this. S I have calculated from here. I have calculated the value of S. I will put the value of S here. Then pi is 3.14 or 22/7. What is radius? Radius is given to you 0.09 centimeters. Substitute it here. And the value of resistivity came out to be 6.44 ohms meter. So basically students, in this experiment I have calculated resistance as well, S. S is your unknown resistance, and I have also calculated the specific resistance or the resistivity. Now students, I will show you the screw gauge. This is your screw gauge. This is your screw gauge. So students, as you can see, I am showing you the reference line. This is the reference line. This is the reference line in the screw gauge. Okay, and this is your linear scale. This is your linear scale and this is your circular scale. And the readings in circular scale are like this: 0, 20, 40, 60, 80. So if this is 0, 0, then 5, then 10, 15, 20. Between 0 to 5, divisions will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically the idea is students, जिस भी सर्कुलर डिवीजन के साथ रेफरेंस लाइन कोइंसाइड करती है वो आपकी वैल्यू स्मॉल n की कही जाएगी. जैसे कि मैंने ये वायर ले लिया है और इस वायर का मुझे डायामीटर कैलकुलेट करना है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू कैलकुलेट द डायामीटर ऑफ दिस वायर, आई विल पुट द वायर लाइक दिस. सी, आई विल पुट द वायर लाइक दिस and I will check out that from which circular division the reference line is coinciding. So it coincides with this division and this is your 0, 5. So this is a reference line and it coincides with the 5th division of the circular scale. So students, this will be your the reading for the screw gauge. The reading for the screw gauge.